The sixth step is one of the fundamentals of breakdancing footwork. So starting from this low squat position, we're going to shift forwards, bringing the weight into the balls of our feet, lifting the heels up to support the hips. Coming into this toe balance position with the knees pointed out towards the corners. So first I'll show a modified version of the sixth step. And as we do this, we'll end up facing 4 directions: front, right, backwards, left, and back again to the front. 4 directions. So to begin here, I'll go in a clockwise direction first. So the right hand's going to come behind me, behind the feet. Fingers are going to be turned out towards the side. So here I want to lean back a little bit, lifting the hips up so that I could extend the left leg out. So I'll break things down into parts at first. Here I'm going to switch hands. Left hand's going to come behind. Fingers also pointed to the side. Left leg's going to swing around the front, corner to corner. Left leg's going to wrap around the right. So left knee is going to end up in front of the right ankle. From here, the right foot's going to step back. And then the left foot, bringing the right hand down, coming into a modified push-up position. Right foot's going to step to the side, coming onto the side of the foot. Left foot steps in. So you'll notice here, the right leg has the bend so you could step in. Heels under the hips, we'll take the left foot in, and we're back to where we began. So I got to turn the right hand here, fingers should be pointed to the side. Repeating again, extend the left leg, switching hands. Left leg wraps around, hooking in front of the right. So here I'm coming onto the side of the left foot, and I want to come more towards the ball of the foot to get a little bit of grip here so I could step the right foot back. Then the left, modified push-up position. Right foot steps out to the side. Left foot steps in. And then bring the right foot in. Adjusting that right hand again. I'll do this 2 more times so I make a full circle. So here I'm going to plant the right hand down with the fingers pointed forwards. So the hands are at a right angle. So that'll get the positioning right as I come around this time. Right foot steps out, left foot steps in, back to the beginning. So here I broke things down into parts, switching hands before sweeping the leg around. You could do both of those movements together as you get more comfortable with the sixth step. Switch hands and sweep. Repeat that again. Coming into that hook position as I switch arms. So I'll be balancing on the right leg for a brief moment. And you'll notice my torso leans from one side to the other as I do this, leaning from the right to the left. So that was a modified sixth step, going to 4 directions. You'll end up going in a full circle as you do this. With the regular version of the sixth step, you'll stay facing in the same direction. So I'll do this one in the other direction. As much as possible, you want to try and balance things out on both sides. So going counterclockwise, the left hand's going to come behind. And to progress things a little more, instead of extending the leg first, I could extend at the same time as I sweep the leg around and switch arms, which will look like this. So once more, this will be step 1, probably the most difficult part of the 6th step as you progress with it. Right hand fingers are pointed to the side, left foot steps back, then the right foot bringing left hand down, modified push-up, left foot steps to the side. So here, trying to come onto the ball of the foot. So this is a point of difference here. When you're going to 4 directions, as you step to the side, you're going to come onto the side of the foot more, and then step in. But if you're facing the same direction, try and come a little bit more into the ball of the foot. And here the right foot's going to step behind the left knee, causing the left leg to bend. So it'll look like this. Coming into a hook position on the other side. Left leg swings around back to your toe balance position. So repeating again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Giving a side view. And facing the same direction. This is why I kept having the fingers pointed out to the side. But for the rotating version, for a moment, both hands will be at a perpendicular angle. Otherwise, you'll have to make an adjustment like I did before. So, giving a side view. In your modified push-up position, you're not stepping the legs all the way back, coming straight, as then it's going to be really hard to step forwards. Legs are bent in a little bit of a tabletop position, but you don't want the knees too close. You want to have some space to be able to swing them underneath. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll do that 2 more times to demonstrate. First 2 times are the regular version, I'll stay facing forwards. And next 2, I'll do with the rotating version. Okay, so I did an extra 2. I wanted to make the full circle. So the 6th step is a full workout in itself. It's a good body weight exercise and cardiovascular exercise too. You'll get out of breath as you do this, especially as you pick up more speed and do more repetitions.